Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not updating on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve not updating on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Here we go to clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.